Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make honey mustard. This classic sauce is incredibly versatile, perfect for dipping, spreading, or dressing. We'll cover the simple steps to create a delicious batch right in your own kitchen. You'll be surprised how easy it is to achieve that perfect balance of sweet and tangy flavors. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need a few basic items. Grab some yellow mustard, your favorite honey, and creamy mayonnaise as the base. For that essential tangy kick, a splash of apple cider vinegar works wonders. Don't forget a small pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to enhance all those wonderful flavors. These simple ingredients come together beautifully.
Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. Making delicious sauces can be thirsty work, so stay hydrated anywhere with the fantastic Oala water bottle. It's a game changer. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Now for the fun part, mixing. In a small bowl, combine your mustard, honey, mayonnaise, and apple cider vinegar. Whisk everything together vigorously until the mixture is completely smooth and well combined. If you prefer a thicker sauce, add a little more mayonnaise. For a thinner consistency, a touch more vinegar or honey will do the trick. Taste and adjust as you go. One of the best things about homemade honey mustard is how easily you can customize it. For a little heat, try adding a dash of cayenne pepper. If you like more savory notes, a pinch of garlic powder or onion powder works wonders. Freshly chopped herbs such as dill or chives can also elevate the flavor profile. Experiment to find your perfect blend.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.